So are you tired of feeling stressed out about finances? Do you wish you didn't feel dependent on someone else for a paycheck? Or do you wish you could provide more for those that you love? Do you wish you could make money doing what you love? Listen, we understand. We both started our first side hustle because we wanted more out of life. In fact, we got tired of living paycheck to paycheck and feeling like we were trapped. We hated that we had to stress about whether or not we could afford to buy something or do what we really wanted to do in our life. That is, until we learn how to create a side hustle and take control of our lives, our money, and our freedom. See, the real transformation happens for us when we realize that we could have an idea, research it and launch it and make more money in a week than we made at our jobs in a month. See, we've created over a dozen side hustles in over 2 decades, and we use what we've learned to escape the rat race and build a thriving business that allows us to live life on our terms. And now we're teaching everything we learned to you. Now is the perfect time to create a side hustle. Technological advances have made it fast and easy to create and market a business plug into an existing money-making side gig. So there's new business gurus popping up every day. But the problem is that so much information's been thrown around about how to make money or start a business. And worse, a lot feels so complicated and overwhelming. It's like raising capital and managing employee. It all sounds expensive and too time consuming. But what if making money on your terms, doing what you love, didn't have to be so hard? Well, it doesn't. There are literally hundreds of ways you could start making money tomorrow in your spare time.
And if you want to go beyond just making some extra cash, you can use proven processes for growing your side hustle into a business that can replace your job and give you the freedom to love your life again. In this course, we'll teach you everything that you need to know in order to choose the right side hustle idea for you and flesh out how to launch it, how to find time, stay motivated, and start quick, how to hack productivity, automate, and scale your business. The best part about creating a side hustle now is that entrepreneurship is the future of employment. With all the changes happening in the world due to rapid technological growth, we are moving towards a gig economy. And so what this means is that while our grandparents' generation had 1 job on average in their lifetime, and our parents had an average of 5 jobs, it's projected that our children will have 5 at a time. And most of those jobs will not be as an employee. So don't wait to see if your industry is going to be dramatically changed in the next 10 years. Start taking back control of your finances and your life now by learning how to play the game of entrepreneurship. So who are we? We are Joelle and Natalie Rivera. We own a digital media publishing company and an online course and training company called Transformation Academy. We're serial entrepreneurs who have started businesses including a photography company, an import business, a holistic virtual office center, an adolescent coaching center for at-risk youth, a book publishing company, a magazine, a life coach training institute, as well as running conferences, festivals, and creating online courses. All of our programs are based on our decade of experience as coaches, speakers, and in social services, as well as Joelle's experience as a psychology instructor, as well as his master's in counseling and education, and the research that he did on happiness for his dissertation for his PhD in psychology. At the time of this recording, we have more than 60 online courses and over 60,000 students from 190 countries around the world. We believe that self-employment is the ultimate form of empowerment, and so we are really excited to see you in the course.